In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Coupon on Agoda. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Agoda's coupons, how to claim one, and how to make sure it's actually applied to your booking. First, open Agoda in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look along the top navigation bar for the Coupons and Deals section. Click that to go straight to Agoda's current promotions. This page lists limited time offers and location or property specific deals. Take a moment to read the details on each tile: valid dates, eligible destinations, minimum spend, and whether the offer applies to specific room types. Picking a coupon that matches your trip plan will save you time later. When you've found a suitable offer, click Claim Coupon. This adds the coupon to your account so it can be used during your search and checkout. You'll see a quick confirmation. Select Got It to close the message and continue. Next, return to the main search. Select the hotels option, then enter your destination, your check-in and check-out dates, and the number of rooms and travelers. If your dates are flexible, keep in mind that many coupons only work within certain time frames, so make sure your chosen dates fit the coupon's validity window. When you're ready, click Search. On the results page, look for indicators that the coupon is active. Eligible listings may show a tag or note that the coupon has been applied or that extra savings are available. Not every property participates, so don't worry if you don't see the tag on all results. Focus on the ones that show the discount. When you find a hotel you like, open its page to review room options, amenities, and policies. Choose the room that fits your needs and then click Book. If a room includes free cancellation or pay at hotel options, you'll see those noted here. Choose what matches your comfort level and travel plans. On the booking page, look to the right-hand price summary. You should see a coupons or discounts section listing the coupon name and the amount deducted from the total. This is your confirmation that the savings are applied. If you don't see it, double-check that the room and dates meet the coupon's conditions or that the offer hasn't expired or reached its claim limit. That's it. You've claimed a coupon, searched for eligible stays, and verified the discount is in your booking summary. Continue through the usual checkout steps to finalize your reservation and enjoy the savings on your trip.